As I move along the stream, I realize that every pool, every patch of moss represents a system of life we barely understand. Beneath the surface, nature's complexity continues, silent, precise, and infinite.
In the quiet heart of the valley, just beyond the bend of the river, lies a pond that seems almost alive. It breathes through the rhythm of the ripples. It feeds from the river and gives back to it. Here, the water pauses to think, to grow, to create life. Every droplet that flows here carries the story of mountains and clouds. By the time it reaches this pond, it has gathered minerals, spores, and microscopic travelers, seeds of new worlds.
Beneath the calm surface, the pond reveals a different universe. Tiny crustaceans drift like stars in a slow galaxy. Algae weave green forests, and the sediments pulse with invisible life.
Every grain of detritus here is a world in itself. Rotifers spin like living wheels, filtering the water and keeping this microcosm in balance. It is an unseen network of exchange, energy moving from sunlight to algae to insects to fish. Among the moss filaments, a small worm-like organism moves between the strands, a detritivore, feeding on decaying matter and microorganisms. It helps recycle nutrients, turning waste into the foundation of new growth. Microscopically,
The pond's water reveals rotifers, ciliates, and even small crustaceans, each with specialized movements and feeding structures. They form an invisible ecosystem, perfectly balanced through constant interaction.
This microcosm mirrors the larger world. Predators, prey, decomposers, all connected by the flow of energy and matter. The pond breathes much like a living organism, regulating gases and nutrients through its biological processes. And when the pond overflows, it returns its living gift to the river, a stream of life flowing onward. From mountain to cloud, from drop to sea, the cycle of creation continues quietly, endlessly.